Watch them. Look at that side. Proper conscious sailing, aren't they?
Yes.
You're in thick fog.
Much more speed boat.
But that way, because we are being drifted.